What's going on, guys? Johnny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Yo, I know it's been a little over a month since I've been in one, but that doesn't mean I've been completely gone. I've actually been behind the camera shooting these videos, trying to help out my boy Aaron, because Vic takes a super long time when he does his restorations. You guys don't even know. It's a lot longer than you guys think, so he has to film all those. So I decided I was gonna help out and shoot some cleaning videos. But I'm back, and you already see it. The Bubbles box logo tee. Yo, everyone here in the office liked them, so I'm gonna definitely give everyone a pair. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and give one of you guys, one of our subscribers, a pair. All you have to do is follow me on my IG, boom, just like so, and comment on my most recent picture. Just tag someone below who should be following me on IG, and I will be selecting one random winner a week from today. So make sure you go and follow me, guys. Bubbles tee, super fire. I also have a white one and a white with pink for the ladies. So that'll actually be the post that I'll probably post. You know what I'm saying, Aaron? There'll probably be a picture of all three shirts. But let's get into it, man. Today I'm gonna be cleaning these Pharrell Hu's, or as we like to say, poor man's human races. You can cop these at Foot Locker or anywhere where they sell your shoes right now. And I'm gonna be doing that with the advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and our sneaker laundry detergent that is available right now at reshoevn8er.com. So, Aaron, without wasting any more time, let's get started. All right, guys, for the purpose of this video, I am only gonna be cleaning one shoe, so I'm gonna put the right one to the side. Now, the first step is to grab our adjustable shoe trees. These are a size 11, so I'm about to take it to the third hole, the far end right here. Insert those into the shoe tree. Now, a lot of people ask, what's the whole point of a shoe tree? And with this knitted material, it's gonna allow me to apply more pressure and get a better cleaning on that toe box and on the sides. So that's what the shoe tree is for, and also to keep that form. As you can see, it looks a lot better already. Now, the next step, remove the laces. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed, next step is to grab our bottle of solution and pour 2 small squirts into our bowl of water, just like so. And I'm gonna be cleaning the uppers with our soft bristle brush. Oh, another first exclusive, another Bubbles exclusive. Yo, check out the new Reshoevn8er dog. His name is Bentley. Super adorable. Say what's up, Bentley? We might start his IG, so.
Ready to go potty? Let's go.
All right, bye, Bentley. Yo, everyone, give us a thumbs up for Bentley. And if you have a dog for yourself, put your dog's name in the comment section below now. All right, guys, so anytime I'm cleaning a material like this, whether it's mesh, prime knit, fly knit, or whatever you want to call it, and I'm using the soft brush, I like to clean in a circular motion. For me, I see better results than to just go back and forth. So you want to make sure you always get that circular motion going. But I think I am done with this soft brush. I do see a few more deeper stains in the material. So I'm going to move on to our new all-purpose brush, which is a little bit more firm than this, but not too much. I'm not sure if it's gonna fray the material or not, so I'm gonna try it on a small area first, and if it's good, I'll just do the entire shoe where I see all those deeper stains. So let's do that. All right, guys, I think I'm done with the uppers. They are looking pretty good. I know most of the time on the other shoes, I move on to the midsoles using the same medium brush, but since the outsole and the midsole are exactly the same, I'm just gonna move on with our stiff bristle and get that outsole and that midsole. So let's do it. All right guys, one quick tip. Anytime you're cleaning a non-painted midsole like this one right here, don't be afraid to apply some pressure with that stiff brush. It's not gonna damage it. We do get that question a lot, but if your midsole is painted like these right here, they have little gold speckles. You do wanna be careful and not use that stiff bristle brush because it can ruin that midsole. But we'll go ahead and just put these fire kicks back down and continue with the cleaning. I think I'm done. Go ahead and give a wipe down real quick with our towel that you can find at resjuvenated.com. Go shop right now. All right, these outsoles are looking pretty good. The next step, guys, is to go ahead and grab our laces, dip them in the bowl with some of our solution mixture, and clean them up. All right, those are pretty good. Next step is to put our shoes in the laundry bag. Thank you, Aaron. Go ahead and put the laces in here like so. Before I actually put the shoes in the laundry bag, one question that we get often is how do you put two shoes inside the laundry bag? Because we normally only show one for comparison reasons. So let me just go ahead and grab this one real quick. So anytime you put two shoes up to a size 11 in one bag, you want to do heel to toe and soles together, and you want to go ahead and just slide it in there like so, and you can fit both shoes easily. Put that one aside. Secure the bag alert. Lock it down. You can tie these if you'd like. Boom. Let's go put these in the wash. All right, guys, so the next step is to put these in the washer. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up like so. Go ahead and turn that on. First thing we're gonna do is grab our sneaker laundry detergent, loosen the cap, squeeze. Just gonna go ahead and pour it in there, right on top of the shoe. Boom. Close that up. Close it. We're gonna hit wash. Do medium cycle, it's fine. Want all three of them actually. Boom. Cool. Cold water. All right, guys, another question that we always get is what cycle to use and what water to use. You want to use a normal or regular cycle, whatever your washer has. Always use cold water, and make sure you don't use delicate, guys. The reason for that being is because you want to get that full spin, so that way there's no water left in the shoe. So now that I have all those settings set up, go ahead and hit start, and we'll be back. All right, guys, we are back. We went ahead and let these dry overnight, and as you can see, they came out super crispy. Pretty much look DS, except for this one little spot. Not sure if you guys can see it. I can definitely see it. It was a lot darker this morning, but I went ahead and re-hit it up with our new all-purpose brush to try to get it out. And I mean, I did the best that I can, but it's still there. And unfortunately, sometimes stains are just gonna be there. It just is what it is. So don't forget, guys, I went ahead and got these results using our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and our sneaker laundry detergent that is available right now at resjuvenated.com, guys. Don't forget, this is a new month for our Yeezy giveaway. Yo, last month's winner, Rex, won those coppers. Shout out to you. Unfortunately, I can't participate. I wish I could because I want some Yeezys for myself. You want some Yeezys for yourself too, right? You guys want some Yeezys for yourselves, right? Everyone back, you can't see them, but everyone wants Yeezys, but we can't participate. So guys, the only way to win this month is to be following Resjuvenated on Instagram and to be subscribed to this YouTube channel, because like we said last month, we are giving away 12 pairs of Yeezys this year. So that's 1 pair a month. Subscribe, guys. Don't forget to follow us. And before I go, guys, do not forget Bubbles Tea. I will be giving away 1 shirt to a lucky winner on my Instagram. All you gotta do is follow me on my Instagram. I got this nice little blue one. On the beginning of the video, I had the black and blue one. And now, let me go ahead and bring my little niece in here. What? What? She got the pink Bubbles tee. Say hi. Say hi. You already know we got the kids merch going. She's been rocking it, so it's a little dirty. But all you gotta do, guys, is go comment on my new post, tag someone that should be following me, because I'm gonna be giving away one lucky winner, maybe even two, a shirt. All right? And that's gonna wrap it up, guys. Thank you for tuning in for this week's video. I'm Johnny Bubbles, my little niece Amaya, the little cutie here, and I'll see you in the next one.